Now we're about to go into talking about jaundice. That's mainly jaundice in children because we're a pediatric channel, right? So before we begin this, we just want to spend some time and have some overview of what bilirubin metabolism is like. Do you understand? Just refresh our memories because it could be that some people might have forgotten about such a concept. So bilirubin metabolism, you're actually trying to talk about formation and breakdown, okay, of bilirubin. So it's just a process by which the body breaks down heme from red blood cells, okay, and it gets to form bilirubin. This is a bilirubin that is converted to many forms, okay, through many forms, right, through the bowel, and you eliminate it through the bowel, the liver and the intestines. Of course, many organs are involved, you can see them, and many enzymes are also involved. So the first step is heme breakdown. So it begins in the spleen and the reticular endothelial system. So old or damaged red blood cells are the ones that are broken down, so they release heme, and globin is usually reused. So the heme is now converted to biliverdin by the enzyme known as the heme oxygenase. So biliverdin is then reduced to unconjugated bilirubin by biliverdin reductase. So biliverdin, okay, unconjugated bilirubin, okay. So in between here you have the enzyme known as the biliverdin reductase, okay. So it's now transported to the liver. So unconjugated bilirubin is lipid-soluble and toxic. It binds to albumin in the bloodstream, okay, then it moves to the liver. Okay, I seen it. All right. So in the liver it becomes conjugated, okay. So hepatic uptake and conjugation. So in the liver, bilirubin is taken up, that's the unconjugated one, is taken up by the hepatocyte. So enzyme known as the UDP-glucuronosyltransferase conjugates bilirubin with glucuronic acid and forms what is known as the conjugated bilirubin. So conjugated bilirubin is like we are mixing the unconjugated bilirubin with glucuronic acid, okay. So excretion via the bile, okay. So this is excretion via the bile here now, okay. So conjugated bilirubin is secreted into bile canaliculi, stored in the gallbladder, directly released into the small intestine. The intestinal metabolism, so bacterial enzymes are now converted the conjugated bilirubin into what? Urobilinogen. So urobilinogen can be put out through urine as urobilin or through feces, okay, as stechobilin, okay. So enterohepatic circulation, a portion of the urobilin is usually still reabsorbed back, okay. So this is what enterohepatic, okay. Some of it through urine, some of it through feces as stechobilin,